Look what the ladies have. Michael and I put this together. It's a 10 by 6 dog kennel. It's not done yet. I mean, it's done. But we need to put a chicken tunnel here. That's going to take some work. But that's the next part. And then they'll be able to go from here to there. I'm very excited about this. I love that it has a roof. And it has the juniper in there so they can have shade and they can jump on things. It's going to be great. And right now they're waiting for me. Good morning. Good morning. Let us out, please. There we go. Come on, ladies. Well, it's going to be 52 degrees today, supposedly. So that's pretty exciting. I've been bringing them out every day. But one of the reasons that kennel is there is because there could be times I can't bring them out, you know? And I want them to have a little more space. This is Miss Cloud. I like to introduce them once in a while. And then we have Spitfire. Next to her is Trinity. Phoenix is on the other side here. Yeah, I'm talking about you. And that is Parkour Chick, PK. I had the door open, and I'm in the doorway. Otherwise, they would just come on out once they were full. There goes. She's always eating straw. Quit. Ow. Yeah, I don't know why you want to eat straw. Why are you eating that? It's not... Every morning she gets 1 or 2 pieces of straw and downs it. I don't know why. I don't get it. You should be eating grit, not straw. Look, these two are eating grit. PK and Phoenix. Here is the door to the kennel. And what was really annoying is, even after reading the instructions, we didn't notice the very last instruction, which was for the latch, okay? Didn't think to read that one all the way through. And it wasn't until we got to those instructions that we found out you had to keep this gap here. Now, in theory, you have to do that because you have to be able to do this. Right? But I don't know why the instructions for that wasn't in the very beginning when they tell you how to put the chain link on. So what ended up happening is we had to move the door. So if you look down here, this goes right through the gate part. This is part of the gate, goes up. So you just unscrew this. Oh, and we did not tighten that. I'm gonna have to tighten that. I don't think it's gonna matter, but there we go. We'll use a screwdriver on that. Anyway, so we had to loosen that and then just knock the door this direction. And luckily, we didn't have to do anything else. There is enough tension that we didn't have to take any of these out or add any more in. So it worked out, but it was still kind of like, why wouldn't you put those instructions in the very beginning? They will love, I'm sure, to get up on this. I'll probably see them up here randomly. Oh, I need to cut that. I want to cut off all of these really sharp points. So I'm going to bring my clippers out here. These junipers will stay in here as long as they live. But they have plenty of things they can perch on and jump on. They haven't gotten on these things yet, but once they're locked in here, they will start doing that. They'll start exploring and getting up on things. We're going to add a chicken tunnel right here. Michael is going to work on figuring out how to cut into a chain link, because you can't just randomly cut, you know. But you cut into it and keep its strength, and then put a frame there, probably a wooden frame, and then the chicken tunnel will attach to it. God dang it, why are you eating straw again? I've got to get it off of you. There you go. Her crop is going to be stuffed full of straw. I don't even know if that's... Is that okay? Crazy?
Hi, it's Phoenix Jira, and I just worked on the junipers back here in the kennel, and I just realized it's super hot for, what is it, November 29th or whatever day it is. It's gonna get to 52. Okay, that's not super hot, I know, but it's been 39, 40, 42, so it feels super hot right now. And the chicks are out here with me, and they're having a good time. I always say that. I think they're always having a good time. I think that's why. Where are they? Here we go. So apparently I stopped recording because I pushed a button on the phone accidentally. Whoops. One of the chicks, parkour chick, was pecking on my red sweater, trying to get some food. And I'm trying to give it to her. No, but instead we have Miss Cloud. Hey, come here. No, she says the moment has passed. I don't want it now. Fine. How about you guys? They're not as nice as they used to be, or their beaks are just super sharp now. What? Oh, it is Parkour Chick. Hi, Parkour Chick. How are you? Can you give me some more? Oh, hold on. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. There you go. I have no idea if I got anyone in the video. I'm doing a selfie, clearly. So when I'm doing a selfie and I turn the camera to them, I have no idea if they're in the camera. Yeah, see, I came out with a sweater and a scarf and another sweater. Yeah, it's a little warm. Here, that's where I was. That's what it looks like. They're enjoying the sun out here now. Someone just pooped. Sure kind of stinks. All right, I just cut this branch off. That will give them more area to perch. And this wasn't doing them any good. I put the ladies in the portable run. So I had some scrambled eggs and I did my chirp chirp and tossed it in there and they went right in. This is really nice because I can bring them out into the yard, and as long as I can get them in there, which is the chore, I can still have them out in the grass and work on things without needing to watch them quite as closely. So I do like that. And here's Miss Cloud, of course. Oh, hi, sweetie. How are you doing? You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. See? You're gonna trip. You're tripping, fool. Wag, wag, wag. She's thinking about it. Come on. No one else is here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gonna do it? No. I don't want to, she says. That's just for babies. I'm not a baby. You're not a baby. I'm not even 12 weeks old yet. She's like, that's forever. Oh, look at that, you lost your opportunity. Hi, Trinity, how are you? Yes, I know. Oh, oh, what are you gonna do? Wow, Miss Cloud likes slugs too. She's like, "Do you got any more?" Let's see. No,